Sa darating pong Huwebes, dito po sa GMA News TV at 1 p.m., the Philippine National Police takes on the Philippine Army. Ngayon, ibato natin sa ating beauty queen, si Bianca Saldua.
Maraming salamat, Noel. Two not so very different teams ang magkalaban ngayon. Ang Meralco na ang concern naman nila ay reception at isa pang undefeated team for the day, ang Cagayan Valley na ang concern naman nila ay blocking naman. Unahan naman natin ang Cagayan Valley na dalawang salita ang madalas kong narinig kay Coach Nestor. Stop and block. Stop the spikers and block the attacks. Unfortunately, gagawin nila yon without Rosemary Vargas dahil sa knee injury niya. Pero naka-uniform pa rin siya to support her teammates. Puntahan naman natin ang Meralco na madalas hindi kompleto sa practice dahil sa kanilang mga trabaho. Ang gusto ni Coach Oliver ay wag magpatalo tulad ni Maureen Penetranto na galing pa sa bad flu. Hindi nakapag-practice for 2 days pero maglalaro pa rin ngayon. Kung may isa pang commonality yung dalawang teams na ito ay ang parehong communication problem sa kanilang mga imports na mahalaga ang contribution sa team. Balik sa inyo.
I don't think it's going to be a problem para sa Meralco for communication kasi ito nga si Coco Wang nag-aral sa Amerika.
Okay.
Ang Beta Bakero. Ayan na, yung sinasabi nilang opensa na kailangan gamitin dito ng Cagayan Valley. At ang ating slow-mo replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Sa lahat po ng mga kalaban ng Pilipinas sa Thailand, abangan niyo po yung kanilang skipper. Pao Soriano. Kainglet. Jose, running attack. Coco Wang. Cross court does not work. So tabla na tayo. 8-all.
And on the sideline, actually, you'll see Coach Oliver Almadro nagbibigay ng instruction kay Jose na itaas ng konti yung set because of the height of Wang.
Well, of course, the height of April Jose is a problem as well. Ito ngayon si Pao Soriano, Kainglet. Jose, binigay sa open kay Paneng Mercado. Nice misdirection there coming from the former LaSalle player. So si Paneng Mercado, binigay ulit yung kalamangan dito sa kupunan ng Meralco Power Spikers. And now Coco Wang. Nag-aral po sa Amerika sa Fresno Pacific University. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Here is Tabakero. Dug up there by Morada. Paneng Mercado once again. Pomla Soraya, the tie connection. Pero nadig naman ay wala second ball. Si Paneng hindi umabot. Tied at 9. And if you're Meralco, ito yung ayaw mo, yung dumidikit sa'yo yung Cagayan Valley. Kailangan talaga unahan mo to eh.
Well, let's see one good reception coming from this serve of Tabakero.
Which is a sharp serve. Fielded well by Jen Reyes. Penetrante now. Going back to Mercado. The LaSalle connection does not work kasi may taga-USD na nandun in Aiza Maizo. One more time around for Paneng. Off the block of Soraya. Soraya will now set. Quick set. Papunta kay Eulalio. Nandun naman si Morada. April Losey. Tinawid yung bola. Soraya ngayon. Combination play. Papunta kay Tipachok. Jen Reyes pinuhay. Here is Paneng Mercado. Off the block. Kept alive by Penetrante. Jose, quick set to Penetrante. Ang haba ng rally. Ang dami ko sinasabi. Wala pa nakapuntos. Hiyaan na. Nakapuntos na.
Check ball.
Kanino ito tawag? Kay April Losey?
Penetrante Oano saying there's none.
And Oliver Almadro just has his arms up at the sideline as Cagayan Valley gets its first lead of the game. Captain Tabakero to serve. Morada. Jose. Paneng Mercado once again. Nice dig by Janela. Here's Soraya now going to Tipachot. Dug up by Kainglet. Back row attack. Gali kay Micah Morada. Top spin variety. Here's Soraya on the combination. Nice block pero lalabas ang bola from the penetrante block. 2-point lead now for Cagayan Valley.
Very strong offense for Cagayan.
Maureen Penetrante Oano being challenged at the net by the Rising Suns. Tabakero once again. Mikasas the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Jen Reyes. Free ball coming up. After that bad reception coming from Morada. Masyado malayo yan para kay Soraya. Sabi ni Penetrante Oano, mahaba ang kalamay ko. Baba sa isa ang kalamangan dito ng Cagayan Valley. Again, Cagayan Valley trying to keep in step with the Philippine Army. Also undefeated after 2 matches nga lang. Smart Maynilad actually has already played 4 matches pero 3-1 ang kanilang kartada. Na straight sets po sila. Ditong Cagayan Valley Rising Suns as Wenef Eulalio will miss. So 11-all. And of course, the only team to beat Meralco so far has been Smart Maynila in 4 sets. Yun yung unang laro pa ni Coco Wang dito sa Pilipinas. Soraya ngayon. Tipachot, itinawid na lamang. April Jose. Morada. Soraya. Back to Tipachot. Talagang lakas pumalo nitong batang to, no?
And you see her scoring off the blocks as well.
Oo. So Tipachot restores the lead to Cagayan Valley.
And this girl is quite deceiving kasi kung titignan mo, ano, yung height, yung build.
Hindi ka mukhang atleta eh.
Oo, di ba? Hindi mo
Oo.
makikitang parang exceptional athlete siya. Pero when she starts jumping,
Ito ngayon si Jose on the back set ngayon to Mercado. This time operating from the right side. Up. Ganda ng blanca naman ni Penetrante. Hindi na maabutan niya ni Aiza Maizo. So Penetrante Owano making a statement at the net for the Power Spikers. Dikitan po itong ating first set. We are tied at 12. Panay Mercado.
Tsagayin lang natin. Tsagayin lang natin.
Tabakero. Soraya. Aiza Maizo. Jen Reyes. Ganda ng panimula ni Jen Reyes dito, ha. Phil Kainglet, turned back by Maizo. Jose leaves it for, great block. Hindi na may tatawid ni Jen Reyes. Left it for a teammate. Tapos bigla si Tipachot na kaya alam.
that block was amazing. Kita mo yung direction, no? It was really on its way down.
Usually you want to learn lessons from your veterans. At this juncture naman, etong si Tipachot, tinuturuan tayo paano mag-spike, paano mag-block. And she's only 17 years old. Penetrante, ng power tip. Uy, tama-tama, nasabi natin, power tip po tayo ng mga power tip tungkol dito sa Meralco. Yung mga mahilig magpatakbo ng microwave dyan. Ingat-ingat lang sa microwave, matakaw yan. Isa pa pala, yung inverter air conditioner, nagiging energy efficient lang siya pag matagal naka-on. So kung 6 na oras mo lang gagamitin yung inverter air conditioner, para ka na rin, mas matakaw pa yung kesa sa window type na aircon na normal, no?
Which should be, kaya mo nga binibili yung inverter because gusto mo makatipid.
Yes, kasi after
Thank
a
you for
while,
the tip.
kasi after a while, the inverter air condition will turn, I think it's DC to AC or baliktad. So hindi na siya kumukuha masyado ng kuryente. Self-sustaining na siya. Naks, environmental.
Sabing ito mga to,
Yan ang power tip.
self-sustaining. Yan.
Power tip
oo.
yan. Ayan, nag-power tip din tuloy ngayon. Ito si Tipachot. Si Kainglet, tumira galing sa likod. Nandun naman si Check. Soraya ngayon. So Aiza Maizo, nandun si Coco Wang.
And that's one big advantage for the tall lady.
Ayan na. Tropang Power Spikers, nabuhayan na naman.
Always present yan.
Oo, kung saan nga sila pwesto rito. Let's take a look at this one more time. Coco Wang. Tama naman kung saan niya hinabol yung tira doon ni Maizo.
Yan ang advantage ng mahaba ang
Right.
arms, the reach and the length.
And Coco Wang is a veteran. She's 28 years old already. And she's been a veteran of the Asian pro volleyball circuit for a long time. And there she is again.
Very intense look on Coco Wang's face.
Alam mo, kumingiti-ngiti na yan paminsan-minsan.
Nung isang beses inaabangan natin, ano, di
Wala,
masyado.
ayaw talagang umiti. Pero ngayon, she smiles every now and then, meaning she's more relaxed with her team. And it is now the serve coming from Penetrante Owano, and that punch across from Aiza Maizo will miss everything. So 15-13, make that, 16-13 na ba? Our scoreboard remains unchanged, but we heard a buzzer. Yan po. We'll be right back.
Ako po si Jack Junella ng Team Cagayan Valley at kayo ay nanonood ng Shake It V-League Open Conference Season 10.